In expEDIum, you can make an online transaction in two ways, with or without using Digital Wallet. First, let us look at how you can use Digital Wallet in expEDIum. Please keep in mind that this digital wallet is provided by our payment gateway partner, and expEDIum does not keep any sensitive credit card information. This is the login screen. Once you log in, please go to the Patient View screen for online transaction. Click on the Edit button for a particular patient and go to the Card option. Here you can manage all saved cards for the patient. To add a new card for the patient, click on the plus icon and add the card details and click on the Add Card button. Now let's make an online transaction using an existing card. Open the Patient Ledger screen. Click on to the Add Transaction button, and Add Transaction Details screen will pop up. Select Payment Type to Online Payment, which is embedded with a green color background which indicates Online Transaction. Enter your amount and click on the Pay button. Once you click on the Pay button, the Add Transaction Payment screen will appear with all the existing card listed expiry date-wise, and the primary card will be selected by default. Once you choose the card of your choice, you can proceed with the payment by clicking on the Pay button. Once the transaction is completed, it will redirect you to the confirmation message with information like patient name, patient system ID. You can print the confirmation and hand it out to the patients as payments receipt. Now, let us see how to make an online transaction in expEDIum without using Digital Wallet. Open the Patient Ledger screen. Click on the Add Transaction button, and a screen with transaction details will pop up. Select Payment Type to Online Payment, which is embedded with a green color background which indicates Online Transaction. Enter your amount and click on the Pay button. And once you click on the Pay button, the system will ask you to choose from existing card and new card. Click on the new card and enter card details. For this tutorial, we will use a dummy card. After adding the card details, click on the Pay button to make the transaction. Once the transaction is complete, it will redirect you to the confirmation message with information like patient name, patient system ID, etc. You can print the confirmation and hand it out to the patient as payment receipt. The amount of the transaction will be reconciled with the patient ledger balance automatically.